Just one more page. Almost done. Not now, Lily. I'll call later.
Tom, did you finish your homework?
Yes, David. All done.
Good job. Dinner's almost ready.
David, is Mom coming home tonight?
She's working late again, sweetheart. Okay.
She said that yesterday, too.
I know, buddy.
Come help me set the table.
Okay.
I'm in a meeting right now. I will text her.
Busy. Talk tonight. I'll call tonight for sure.
David, she said she'd call tonight.
Give her a little more time.
I've been waiting 3 days, David.
I know.
She's very busy right now. I just really need to talk.
Is everything okay, sweetheart?
Yes. I'm fine. Lily was crying last night, David. Tom!
Oh.
I heard you through the wall.
Lily, you can talk to me.
I want to talk to Mom.
Okay. I understand.
Emma, can I talk to you?
Of course. What is it?
Lily has seemed really withdrawn lately.
Withdrawn? What do you mean?
Quiet. Staying in her room a lot.
She's a teenager, David. It's normal.
Yeah.
She asked about you coming home.
I'll talk to her this weekend. I promise.
Emma, I think it's more.
She's fine. I know my daughter.
Mom! Lily cried in her room.
What?
She had something important to say.
Something important? Like, what?
I don't know. She seemed really sad.
Hold on 1 second, Tom.
Mom? Just 1 second, sweetheart.
1 second always takes so long. Let us move to the next point. I will call when this ends. Okay, calling Lily now.
Lily, it's Mom. Call me back.
That's strange. She always picks up. David, I've been trying to reach Lily.
Emma!
You need to come to the hospital.
What? Why? What happened?
Lily had an accident. She's stable. Come now. An accident? David, tell me what happened. She's okay. Just please come. I'm coming right now. Mom, I just really needed to talk to you. Oh, Lily, I'm so sorry. I need to find my daughter.
Mom?
Tom, sweetie, are you okay?
I'm worried about Lily.
She's stable, Emma. She's resting.
Can I go in?
Yes. Go.
I'm going in right now. You came. I'm here. I'm right here.
I called you so many times, Mom.
I know, baby.
I just needed to talk. I'm listening now. I'm not going anywhere. I'm so sorry I wasn't there.
It's okay. It's not okay. But I'm here now.
I'm glad you came, Mom.
I'll always come. Always.
I called the office this morning.
Yeah. What did you tell them? What did you tell them?
I told them I won't be in.
Really?
Really. You matter more than any meeting.
Mom, I was so lonely.
Tell me everything. I'm listening. I felt like I wasn't important enough to interrupt. You are always important enough.
I didn't think so.
That is my fault. And I am truly sorry.
I just needed my mom.
I'm here. And I'm not leaving.
How are my two girls?
A little better now.
Good. That's all I needed to hear.
I brought snacks. Is that allowed?
Tom.
What? I was hungry.
Come here, both of you.
Lily, I played your voicemail in the car.
You did? I heard your voice saying you needed me. I meant every word, Mom. I know. I should have answered every single time. I forgive you, Mom. Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you.
We're gonna be okay. All of us.
I knew that already. Did you?
Yes. Yes. Because we're together now.
Tom is right.
Smart kid.
Let's go home and settle in. Emma, we need to talk. Really talk.
I know.
I've been thinking about what changes.
Not grand things, just small daily ones. Being reachable. Being present. Answering the phone.
Exactly. That's all we need. I renegotiated my hours today.
That's a big step. It's the right step.
I'm proud of you.
I should have done this long ago.
Mom, will you answer when I call? From now on?
Always. No matter what. Promise? I promise, Tom.
Okay, deal. Deal! dinner's ready.
Coming. I'm right here. Phone's off, everyone.
Even yours, David?
Even mine.
Good. Now it's fair.
Tom, you talk too much.
That's just how I am.
Don't ever change, Tom.
Oh, I will be working from here today. Hey, Lily.
Hi, Mom. I found a song you might like.
Yeah. It's soft and kind of happy. I thought of you.
I will. Mom? Yes?
I'm really glad you always pick up now.
Me too, sweetheart. Me too.
Okay. I'll talk to you later.
Yeah, I'll be right here.
I'll always be right here.